Hey guys! Hey y'all! Hey everybody! Alright, I'm back with another makeup tutorial today, and today my grandma asked me to do a blue and a teal kind of look, and I'm just going to put a little spin on that myself and just decide, what I want to do with those two colors. And so I already have all my foundation on and everything, and my concealer. I didn't do my blush or highlighter yet. So yeah, let's just jump on in the video. I'm going to start off in my B35D palette, and I'm going to put transition shade down first, because I already put on my primer with my concealer. So I'm going to take this fluffy blending brush and just, swipe on some of this tannish color right here. I forgot my mirror. Do I have a mirror? Do I have one in here? Yes, I have one in here. We're all good. Okay. Transition shade and pop that all over the eye. Alright. Now I've got that on the eye. Keep wanting to say in the crease. I mean, it's in the crease also, but it's just on the eye. Okay, so enough of my rambling. Okay, we're going to take the crease brush, and we're going to just jump on in. I don't know, should I do the teal in the crease, or should I do the blue? What if I do both in the crease? That's a good idea. Okay. We want to take this tealish shade, let me show y'all, right here, and put that in the crease, well, half the crease. Let me take out this stupid brush. Okay. Alright, we've got that on the outer crease, and we're going to take the blue, this blue right here, and I'm going to pop that on the other side. Alright, you can barely tell that I have two different colors on, so we're just gonna, do that on the other eye, but, because once you make a mistake, you gotta just make the mistake again. So let's, start on that eye. Alright, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make it into a wing, because I just want to do something different today. So I'm going to take that green color, or the teal, and I'm going to wing it out right here. Alright, but let me zoom you in. I'm going to take this color, hold on, let me open it up. Okay, I'm going to take this color and put it all over the lid. Put this to the side. Okay, so I need here it is. I'm going to spray my brush. I'm going to do this, that color, and then a little bit of the color right on top of it. Alright, do the same thing on the other eye. Got so much extra on my arm. Okay, so now that we've got that on the lid, I'm going to go back in with a bit of, let's go with this blue again, and we're going to put that all over. This blue right here. Right there. So now we're going to take this silver eye topper and I'm going to put that on the inner corner of the eye. Alright, now we're going to take the Oliver shadow brush and we're going to tap into this shiny blue right below the other blue and put that right here. Alright, I think this is looking pretty good, guys. It's something very different than I normally do. Okay, so now we're going to take the detailer brush and I'm going to dip into the greenish teal color and put this underneath the lash line. I'm just putting it part way, just like about halfway, and then I'm just gonna leave the rest blank. Alright, wow, this looks really good. Okay, I feel like I need to add more color. No, I don't want to ruin the look. Let me just leave it alone. Okay, so now we're going to put on blush, highlighter, mascara, and lipstick. I'm gonna mascara again. Okay. So, oh wait, you know what? I'm not gonna dip into that. I'm gonna dip into my Avon blush, which has the mirror. The mirror. I'm trying to get all that off. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to do some highlighter. Alright. Crap, I keep closing the mirror. Okay. Alright. Now we've got all the highlighter put on, and I need to put on my mascara and my lipstick, and we're finished for today. I got it on my finger. I'm really struggling here. I keep like moving around and like shaking and everything. And see, keep dropping stuff. Okay. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see my eyes. Alright. Can you see them? I've got focus. I've got a sparkle going on there and a tealish color, and it's a wing, which I'm very proud of. I mean, I know it's like a little bit extravagant with like how like long it is, but yeah, that's my look for today. Oh, I need to put my lipstick on. I almost forgot. Okay, let me try this again. I'm gonna just look into the monitor here. Alright, that's the look for today. Let me zoom out, and I will see y'all next time, and Remember to subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell, like and comment down below if you loved my video, and share to all of your friends. Alright guys, see ya!